Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Vemander Portable Karaoke Machine with 2 wireless microphones. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, there are features include unmatched sound quality. The Bluetooth karaoke machine is equipped with 30-watt power, 6.5-inch full-frequency speaker, adopting high and low pitch separation technology and professional reverberation adjustment function, which make the sound clearer, the bass stronger, the volume more moderate and eliminate all noise, bringing stunning music and a wonderful atmosphere to your party. Multifunctional karaoke machine. The karaoke machine for adults and kids connect wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.3, providing more stable and long-distance transmission to ensure uninterrupted gatherings. It also supports micro TF cards, flash USB, live streaming and AUX connections, and is compatible with Android phones, iPhones, iPads, TV, PC, microphones and instruments. It is an ideal choice for parties, home karaoke, weddings, and indoor/outdoor gatherings. Rechargeable wireless microphone with 6 voice changer functions. KTV, professional, original, female, male, Warcraft voice. Utilizing the latest UHF technology, the dual ultra-high frequency wireless microphones are resistant to interference. Working range of up to 100 feet or 30 meters, continuous singing for 20 hours, featuring 360 degrees sound pickup, stable signal transmission, and noise cancellation for optimal sound quality. Note: do not point the microphone towards the speaker within 1 meter. Long battery life and portable. The Bluetooth speaker with microphone is small in size and lightweight. The portable design is convenient for carrying and going out, and you can easily carry it to places such as beaches and outdoors. It is equipped with a 4000 mAh high-capacity battery, allowing for 6 to 8 hours of continuous music playtime on a full charge, allowing you to enjoy the joy of singing anytime, anywhere. 5 modes of color disco lights. The portable karaoke machine is equipped with 5 color modes of colorful disco lights that can switch between different colors of lighting effects. The colorful lighting and wonderful music dance create a romantic party atmosphere, allowing you to immerse yourself in a pleasant atmosphere and experience the ultimate karaoke party with karaoke speaker. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.